Now viewers, let's take you to Himachal Pradesh. Heartbreaking visuals continue to emerge from the state where relentless rains have unleashed nature's fury as well. Now the state as of now is facing one of its worst monsoon disasters in recent memory. In fact, continuous heavy rains have triggered a series of flash floods and landslides in the state as well. Manali, in fact, once a bustling tourist hub, now lies devastated. We're getting you visuals from Kullu as well. You can look at how the rivers in the region have been overflowing, almost taking everything that it comes in its way, whether it is residential homes, whether it's something else. In fact, on Tuesday, the river Byas surged past a danger level, sweeping away a multi-story hotel and 4 shops in the heart of the town. Further, the flood waters also breached Allu ground and the vital Manali-Leh highway is now blocked. Hundreds of residents have been stranded with no access to power, roads or communication. You can see the spate, the fury of in fact rivers on your screen right now when they have been flowing way above their danger mark in several areas. Remember, several key bridges have also been impacted, including the Chandigarh-Manali highway as well. Now viewers, the disaster is directly linked to the intensity of this year's monsoon. Between June 1st and August 25th, Himachal has received about a 703.7 millimeter of rainfall. And now this happens to be about 22% more than average. So certainly the impact of it is clearly visible across the state. When we talk about the lives they have lost since June 20, about 310 people have lost their lives, out of which 158 in rain triggered incidents, including landslide, flash floods, cloud bursts, as well as lightning strikes. We're getting you visuals from Manali. In fact, how you can see the vehicles getting swept away. Such has been the condition across Himachal Pradesh. In fact, the fury of monsoon at its peak on display in the state, with rivers overflowing with water and triggering landslides, cloud bursts along as well. In fact, 152 people have died in the state in road accidents itself, many on treacherous rain-hit routes. We're also getting you visuals from Mandi. In fact, now according to Jal Shakti Vibhag, the state has suffered loss of over 87,000 crore in damage to water supply systems and irrigation infrastructure. Visuals on your screen showing you how the rivers have been overflowing and also triggering cloud bursts in the area, landslides in the area. And due to these rivers are swelling up essentially, key routes in the state also remain blocked. In fact, entire communities are without clean water, without critical rural water schemes have collapsed under the weight of this disaster essentially. And viewers, if you look at it, the kind of situation that has now risen in these states, it's not just a monsoon emergency anymore, it's a humanitarian crisis at stake. And right now, Himachal Pradesh is in urgent need of relief, support and long-term rebuilding efforts, because we've seen the kind of damage and the kind of trail of destruction that these disasters have left behind.